Good morning, second class children, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So we will go with our lesson number 5, clothes we wear. So clothes we, different varieties of clothes we wear for different occasions. Like festivals we wear different, for functions we will wear according to the seasons, like summer, rain season, okay, and winter season. According to the seasons, according to the weather, according to the occasions, we will wear different varieties of clothes. Okay, so if now go to your lesson here, take out page number 20 here. See, different varieties of clothes are given here. Skirt is given, jacket is given, t-shirt is given, okay, and shorts are given, okay, and a jacket is given, a sweater is given, gloves are there. So according to the, okay, season and occasion, okay, we wear the clothes. Okay, all of us need clothes to cover our bodies. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind and dust. So why we need, see, can we wear all the same clothes? No, all, okay, people wear different varieties of clothes. Okay, in our state, okay, we, in our country we have different states follow different dress codes. Okay, they will wear different varieties of dresses. Okay, and clothes protect us. Okay, for what purpose we will wear clothes? To protect our body from, okay, to protect our body, to cover our body. Okay, clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind and dust. To protect from heat, cold, rain, wind and dust. Okay, early man did not have clothes to wear. He covered himself with leaves and skins of animals. So before ancient times, early man used not, they don't have the, okay, they don't know the concept of this wearing the clothes. What they used to do, they cover their body with leaves and animal skins. Okay, and see here, test yourself is given here in this lesson. You have to mark W or S in this. So it's a summer or winter. Write S for the clothes we wear in summer and W for the clothes we wear in winter. Okay, we have to mark S or W according to the season. Okay, and in summer we wear clothes that keep us cool. Okay, in summer what we will do? We will wear, okay, the clothes which keep our body cool. Okay, cotton is used to make such clothes. For what this purpose cotton is used? Okay, we get cotton from the cotton plant. From where we will get cotton? From the cotton plant. In winter, we wear clothes that keep us warm. In winter, what we will do? We will keep our body warm. For keeping our body warm, what we will do? We will wear sweaters. Correct or not? Okay, clothes made of wool are warm. Okay, the clothes which are made with the wool are will be very warm. Okay, warm clothes are worn on the mountains where it is very cold. Even in mountain areas, the weather will be very cool. In that area also they will mostly use this woolen clothes. We get wool from the sheep. From where we will getting this wool? From sheep we will get the wool. A sheep's body is covered with thick hair. A sheep's body is covered with thick hair. This hair is cut, cleaned and made into wool. What they will do? The sheep's skin will be, okay, hair. The skin will be having some thick hair. Okay, that hair will be cut and cleaned and okay, cleaned and made it into, okay, wool. Okay, we wear a raincoat when it rains. When rains comes, what we will do? We use a raincoat. We also use umbrella. Even umbrella also we will use, no, in rainy season. These things are made of rubber. So with the what help with these raincoats and umbrellas are made or created or prepared with the help of rubber. Okay, we get rubber from rubber trees. From where we will get rubber? From rubber trees we will get rubber trees. Okay, we sometimes wear clothes made of silk. We get silk from the silkworms. Even sometimes we use, okay, pattu, silk. From where we will get silkworms? Pattu purgulu means silk worms. Okay, we will get from that silk. Okay, we will wear that also sometimes. People wear clothes according to the work they do. This is called a uniform. So according to the work also, people wear the dressing. See here in page number 21. Okay, see the pictures are given here for you. Okay, students. The student, what student will wear? Student will wear uniform. See, uniform is wear, no? And what the doctor will wear? These are the persons who will, okay, wear the dressing code according to their profession, their work. Okay, doctor, see how doctor is dressed up with the white blazer. Okay, and see the watchman also wearing, see, different variety. Okay, brown color, okay, suit he wear. And astronaut, see, even astronauts also wear different space suit they wear. See here, space suit is given here, no? Astronaut is wearing space suit. Okay, so according to their work or profession, this uniform, okay, dress code will be there. They wear. Okay, and we should keep our clothes clean and wash them regularly. Okay, we have to keep our body clean. Even the dressing, the clothes we are wearing, that should be also washed regularly to keep it clean. Okay, it is a healthy habit to wear clean clothes. So we have to, every time we have to, okay, wear fresh clothes. Whenever you to take a bath, what you will do? You will use a clean clothes. Dust clothes you will use? No. Okay, clean clothes you have to wear to protect keep your body clean and your clothes clean. Okay, regularly you have to wash your clothes. Okay, with this your lesson is completed, children. Go through with the video once again. Okay, I will share you the objective part in WhatsApp. Okay, meanwhile you have to go through with the lesson, understand the lesson. Okay, I will get back to you in WhatsApp. Thank you all. Have a nice day, children.